Welcome back to Wisdom Pill, dear viewers. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mesmerizing realm of innovation, where science fiction is rapidly transforming into reality. We're about to embark on a journey that will leave you in awe as we explore 20 jaw-dropping innovations that are shaping the world of tomorrow. From futuristic concepts to tangible breakthroughs, these advancements are pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. 1. Quantum computing. Let's start our journey by delving into the realm of quantum computing. Imagine a computer that doesn't just crunch numbers, but manipulates the fundamental building blocks of the universe, quantum bits or qubits. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and complex simulations, promising to make the impossible possible. 2. Space tourism. Space has always been the final frontier, and thanks to visionary companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin, it's getting closer than ever. We're witnessing the dawn of space tourism, where ordinary people can soon fulfill their lifelong dream of visiting space. Experiencing zero gravity, witnessing Earth from orbit, and stepping foot on other celestial bodies are no longer confined to science fiction novels. 3. Artificial intelligence and robotics. Artificial intelligence and robotics are reshaping industries and the way we live our lives. With advancements in AI, we're seeing robots that can perform surgeries, self-driving cars navigating our streets, and chatbots that hold intelligent conversations. The line between humans and machines is blurring as AI becomes an integral part of our daily existence. 4. 3D printing. 3D printing technology is evolving rapidly. It's not just about creating simple plastic trinkets anymore. It's about printing intricate designs in metals, ceramics, and even biological materials. We're on the brink of a manufacturing revolution, with personalized products and complex structures being created with unprecedented ease. 5. Renewable energy. The shift towards renewable energy sources is gaining momentum, transforming the way we power our world. Solar panels, wind turbines, and innovative energy storage solutions are making a sustainable future closer to reality. We're on the cusp of a green energy revolution, reducing our carbon footprint and mitigating climate change. 6. Hyperloop Transportation. The idea of traveling at near supersonic speeds in vacuum tubes seemed like science fiction, but companies like Hyperloop Transportation Technologies are making it a reality. The Hyperloop promises to revolutionize transportation, making long-distance travel faster, more energy efficient, and more sustainable than ever before. 7. Biotechnology Breakthroughs. Biotechnology is unlocking the secrets of our genetic code. From CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing to personalized medicine, we're witnessing revolutionary breakthroughs in healthcare. Imagine a world where genetic diseases can be cured, and individualized treatment plans are tailored to your unique genetic makeup. 8. Augmented and virtual reality. Augmented and virtual reality are reshaping how we perceive and interact with the world. From immersive gaming experiences to virtual real estate tours, these technologies are becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, providing new ways to learn, work, and play. 9. Brain-computer interfaces. The merging of humans and technology is taking a giant leap forward with brain-computer interfaces. These devices allow direct communication between the brain and machines, opening up possibilities for people with disabilities and even potential enhancements for those who are able-bodied. The future is now, and it's incredibly exciting. 10. Autonomous drones and flying cars. Drones are no longer just toys, they are transforming industries like agriculture, surveillance, and delivery. Add in the development of flying cars, and we're on the brink of a transportation revolution that could change the way we commute and transport goods. 11. Sustainable agriculture. The future of food production is becoming more sustainable and efficient. Vertical farming, lab-grown meat, and precision agriculture are all promising solutions to feed the growing global population while minimizing the environmental impact. 12. Advanced materials. Innovations in advanced materials are changing the way we build and create. From self-healing materials to ultra-lightweight and ultra-strong composites, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction, transportation, and consumer products. 13. Space exploration. The dream of exploring distant planets is becoming a reality. With missions to Mars and beyond on the horizon, the future of space exploration holds the promise of discoveries that will expand our understanding of the universe. 14. Smart cities. Cities are becoming smarter, more connected, and more sustainable. With the integration of IoT devices, AI-driven traffic management, and renewable energy solutions, our urban environments are evolving to meet the challenges of the 21st century. 15. Holographic displays. Holographic displays are no longer confined to sci-fi movies. From entertainment to medical imaging, these 3D projections are bringing a new dimension to how we visualize and interact with information. 16. Water purification technologies. Access to clean and safe drinking water is a global challenge, but innovations in water purification technologies are making it more achievable than ever. From advanced filtration systems to desalination techniques, we're tackling one of humanity's most pressing issues. 17. Personalized education. With the rise of online learning and AI-powered educational platforms, personalized education is becoming a reality. Tailoring educational experiences to individual needs and abilities, we're empowering learners of all ages to reach their full potential. 18. Renewable transportation. From electric cars to hydrogen-powered vehicles, transportation is going green. The shift towards renewable energy in the transportation sector is reducing emissions and moving us closer to a sustainable future. 19. The Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is connecting everyday objects and devices, making our lives more convenient and efficient. From smart homes to connected cars, IoT is transforming the way we interact with the world around us. 20. Fusion energy. Last but not least, we come to the holy grail of clean energy, nuclear fusion. Promising nearly limitless, clean energy, fusion has long been the dream of scientists and innovators. Breakthroughs in fusion technology are bringing us closer to a future where energy shortages are a thing of the past. In conclusion, the world is on the cusp of an exciting future where science fiction is rapidly becoming reality. These 20 innovations are just the tip of the iceberg, and as technology continues to advance, we can only imagine what jaw-dropping innovations await us in the years to come. So, keep your eyes on the horizon, and be prepared to witness the incredible transformation of our world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating journeys into the future. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.